Hello, this is Ask Anastasia, and if this is your first time on my channel, I am sharing my experience and giving you tips and all the secrets about investing in real estate, passive income, credit, and all this good stuff. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. And today we're gonna talk about all information that you need to start renting your units to Section 8 housing. I'm gonna do short videos and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. It's gonna be first 3 steps. It's really easy to follow. This video gonna be short, about 10 minutes. And I hope you're gonna find it helpful. So the reason why I'm sharing this information, because I'm meeting a lot of investors who are working in Cincinnati, and it's just hard to see how much money it's left on the table when you're renting for cash tenants, and you're just scared that you're going to get a bad tenants, and it's a very complicated process. So I just want to show you how to do it. And let's begin with step number 1. And step number 1 is to find your local Section 8 program. I'm going to show you websites that I'm using in Cincinnati, Ohio, but I also want you to know how to do it in your state or in your city where you're located. So short answer to this, it's Google it. And what you need to Google, it's Section 8 housing and add your city and state. Let's see how we're gonna do it. So I just Google Section 8 Los Angeles, hit search, and this is the first website that is coming. You click here, it says Housing Authority of City of Los Angeles, and you click on a Landlord. Landlord benefits, how to list, portal, inquiries, seminars, it's all here. So if you live in Arizona, Phoenix, you do the same. You know, you get back here and you just Section 8 Phoenix. So we covered this one. What I'm gonna show to you today, it's how I'm doing it in Cincinnati, and this is hopefully gonna be helpful. So I enter Section 8 Housing Cincinnati, and this is the first website that is coming, and you just click on the website, and here we are. You click on Landlords, click on Landlords, and it's giving you information, why become a landlord, how to become a landlord. You know, it has many information. They have videos, hangouts. What I recommend to do first, it's go for the landlord orientation. Maybe online videos, it's maybe hangout, or you can go here, you can go for live presentation, and most of your questions will be answered. It's usually 30 to 45 minutes. And if you don't like to go to live presentation, you just go to, let's see here, landlord orientation. And this booklet, it's 41 page. And it's giving you a lot of information here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna answer 90% of your questions. From there, step number 3. Oh, one more thing. This is a secret that I put this slide because it was a really amazing for me. That Section 8, it's only, I believe it's the only government agency that loves landlord. I'm getting a lot of support and help, and they would answer all your questions from our, branch in Cincinnati, and I just don't be scared. They're gonna give you a lot of help. So next step, it's step number 3. And you need to list your property for rent at Section 8 website. If you're going to search online how to start working with Section 8, it's going to give you different steps, but I'm just sharing my experience, and that's how I'm doing, step 1, 2, 3. So After you went to the orientation, step number 3, you need to list your property. Don't look for a tenant, don't do anything, list your property for rent. It's your decision which way you choose it. I'm just sharing what I'm doing for the last 5 years. So for Cincinnati, Ohio, this is a website, gosection8.com. It may be different in your state, so do your research. But here, this is a website. And you just type gosection8.com and you're gonna go to the dashboard. I just want to show you reason why I'm doing this video. So if you're gonna go to the dashboard and you just search Cincinnati, Ohio, it's gonna show you how many units is available in whole Cincinnati area. And they have 142 listings. From my experience, you know, when people are thinking that, you know, you're gonna have vacant units for a long, I usually have 2 to 5 tenants who want my property, and I'm gonna do another video on how to do open house, how to screen them, how to choose the right tenants. But for now, I just want to show you why Section 8, why you should consider this opportunity. Because let's go to my favorite website, Zillow.com, as we were talking. And this is a zip code where we have most of our rentals. So I just gonna search in the zip code how many rentals is available right now in Cincinnati. So, and you see it's just 8 rentals, and we can see price for how much it's for rent. And this is not a high rent area. So you can see that people who are putting their property for rent on Zillow.com, they want $750 for 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And if you're gonna go to this website and we're gonna choose house, and we're gonna choose 3-bedroom, okay? And I don't rent 1 or 2-bedroom to Section 8. If you're interested why, just ask me in the comments and I will answer. But in Cincinnati, we just have 10 listings that is available. But can you see how much is the rent? 1,300 if you rent a Section 8 tenant versus 750. You are leaving like 80% of the money on the table if you do not do Section 8. I think it's huge opportunity, and that's why I'm doing this video. I'm gonna show you next step. Oh, by the way, if it's not very much to ask for, I want to continue to post video about Section 8, but I'm not sure if it's even a topic that you're interested in. If you don't mind, you know, if you can comment below this video, just your city and state, so I know that, you know, I should continue doing it. I would really, really appreciate it. And, you know, it's going to be really helping my channel. So let's get back on how to put your unit for rent. You go to the dashboard. I am already logged in, and it's very easy to set up account. And right now, as you can see, I don't have any listings. I have 17 units that I'm renting to Section 8, but right now everything is rented. So all what we need to do is to add new listing, and let's add this address, 1042 Fairbanks Avenue, I'm sorry, 1042 Fairbanks Avenue, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45205. Okay, next. Property information. Let's say you're putting for 1,300. Security deposit, I usually take the same amount. Property type, house, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms. Here you just put title, good house. You should write a good title, catchy one, so people are gonna click on your listing. Description, ready to move in, 3-bedroom house, whatever. Next. Okay, here you have to choose, let's say, heating type, and usually tenant is paying for it. Let's say gas, tenant, cooking, cooling, non-tenant, sewer. Usually it's gonna be owner who is paying for all this, but it's completely up to you. You can ask tenant to pay for it, electric tenant, whatever you have here, dishwasher, gated community, skip photos and complete. I always add photos, but right now I don't want to go through it. So you see right now, I already have one active listing. I'm just gonna remove it, like listings. And I'm gonna remove it later on and not for this video. And this is one more piece of information that people are asking me most of the time, how much you can get for 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. They update their information every year. So what I found that every year it's going up, except this year. In 2020, it's went down, but just a little bit, like $5 or $3 on some of the units. So for 3-bedroom, you can get $1,303, and it's including rent and utilities. It's different subject. I'm gonna talk about it. If you like me to, just leave a comments below. But usually we rent 3-bedroom, I would say from 1,100 to 1,300. It all depends on the area. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope it was not a difficult steps to do, and I hope you're gonna complete them just so you're on your way to start renting to Section 8. I will do second video tomorrow. I'm gonna do step 4, 5, and 6. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe, hit notification bell so you're gonna be reminded that it's coming. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and thank you for your time, and have a great day.